Hey everybody, my name is Jay Gordon and I'm an Azure advocate. Today I want to show you how to use virtual machine scale sets for Azure in just a couple minutes. Okay? Let's get started. Okay, so let's get into it. First, we're going to use this application, React Clock Basic. It's a stateless clock. It's going to just provide us with a clock. That's it. Sound good? Now, what we're going to do first, we're going to go into Azure's dashboard. What we're going to do, we're going to create a resource group. So let's go ahead and give our resource group a name. I'll just call it React Clock 123. Cool. So now we click Review and Create. We're going to type scale sets. Cool. We'll click Create. So now I can go ahead, give it a name. I'll just call it React Clock 123. We'll pick our region. I'll pick East US. We'll pick our availability zones or how redundant it'll be. We'll make sure we have Ubuntu. We'll go ahead and add our username and a key. So I'll just go ahead and put J and I'll paste in my key. After I've gone ahead and entered in my SSH key, I'll hit disks. This can be where I can add additional disks if I want to, but we'll leave default. We'll go to networking. We'll go into the network interface. We'll set HTTP, HTTPS, and SSH open, and we'll enable our public IP address. Click OK. Next to scaling, we'll pick a scaling policy of 3 and a scaling policy that says we have a minimum of 3 and a max of 10. All of our CPU settings, however, we can make additional ones if we want to. That's all possible. Management. We can enable all the different things like automatic OS upgrades, instance termination, identity, if we want IAM services, and if we want, we can have rolling upgrades done. So, health, we can choose a load balancer probe or an application health probe. In this case, we'll just set it up so we have port 80 running and it's going to the /path. Here's where we can enable more than 100 instances if we'd like to. We can force even balance across zones. We can choose our spreading algorithm, and we can do what's going to eventually make our application work. We're going to take this script here that installs all of our requirements, and our application starts them and creates a reverse proxy for our load balancer. So then all we have to do now is click Review and Create. We've pasted in our Cloud init script. We've gone ahead and got all of our configurations, and now we can just go ahead and click Create. So once our deployment is finished, we'll go to Resource. Now we can go to our public IP address. I'll copy it. And hey, our clock is ready. And if I click here on instances, you can see all 3 of my nodes are healthy. I've got a 3-node HA application with a load balancer. I did it, showed you just in a few minutes how to get it started. If you want to, go ahead and check out all the documentation or sign up for $200 in free credit at this link. I'll see you next time.